We are here at the Muskegon Farmers Market with Wesley School students, and we are touring the farmers market. We are sampling local fruits and vegetables and talking about how important they are for our brains and our bodies, and that they're grown right here in our community. And then the students are able to each get $5 worth of farmers market tokens to pick out their own fruits and vegetables to try and take home with them.
So this excites me to get these kids out here in the community at the Muskegon Farmers Market to give them a real-world learning experience, as well as to take things that they're learning in the classroom and how they can apply those skills to their life as they continue to get older and venture into the world.
I am excited today because I am getting to watch the students really start taking control of their learning, and they're getting to explore and get to just really experience things in a different way that they haven't always gotten to experience at school. So this is very hands-on and very sensory focused, and their smiles are just showing us how much fun they're having.
So this is a great way for students to practice skills out in the community. So they are interacting with vendors. We are crossing the street, crossing the parking lot, practicing exploring new foods. So all the students had the opportunity to explore the foods, the carrots, the radishes with their hands, with their eyes.
Also learning about what is a healthy, balanced eating, which are skills everyone needs.
Some chose to touch the food and smell the food. Others chose to taste the food. So passing that, sharing food, we're practicing all of those skills today, and then they're practicing their money skills. So they're looking at prices, knowing how much money they have, and choosing what they want to buy.
They will then take this learning back to their classroom as they continue to work on their healthy snack recipe book, as well as their food exhibition that they will be doing in November.